This is how you can send your goods to Amazon FBA warehouse to get managed by Amazon FBA. If you're not aware of Amazon FBA program, feel free to check it out. The link given in the description below, which will guide you through what is the fulfillment by Amazon. But this video is truly focusing on how to send your inventory to Amazon FBA warehouse. So if you are logged into your Amazon Seller Central, simply go to left hand side panel here and click to burger bar menu, go to inventory and select manage FBA shipment. And here you can start sending the items to Amazon by clicking to send to Amazon link. Simply select that. If you see something like this one, simply select start new, or if you are coming here for the first time, you will see this kind of page. Now you can start searching the items. So just imagine I want to send the flea collars to Amazon. So I just search for flea collar, and once I search, we'll see in the search result there are two different items I have. So I can simply enter the quantity I want to send. So for this one I want to send 30 units, so individual units. You can create your own new packaging template as well. If you have one item you pack differently, then you can create your own different template. 30 ready to pack. And just imagine this one I want to send 20 ready to pack. I also want to quickly add other items I want to send. While you adding the items, on the left hand side here under the information you can see print SKU label. Simply select that and you will see if you want to print 30 labels for that, you can print it. So just imagine for this particular item, I want to print 20 labels. I can just put 20, print, and then click to labels. And here there are 20 labels. So what I'll do is I simply click to print now. I selected my paper size. I just fit to printable area. And now I just quickly select print. The label should be in the size where it can be easily scannable. Once label is printed, you can pack your product and stick on your product. So you can see here, in some cases you may not find the link to print the label. Like in this case, you can see the link here, but for these particular two items, you do not see any link here. So in those cases, what you have to do is you have to go to right click, open a new link, open your account and go to burger menu and go to inventory. Manage all inventory. Then you just simply search the ASIN. So just imagine if I want to print the label for this particular ASIN, I simply select the ASIN, copy, and then paste the ASIN here. And make sure here under the fulfillment by, make sure you select the Amazon, and that way you will find the particular ASIN. Go to these three dots and print the item label, and it will open up section where you can select how many labels you want to print, and then simply click to print item labels. Here you can print the label. So that's how you can print the label if the print label link is not showing directly on the send to Amazon platform. Once all items are added, simply click to pack individual units. Here, this button, and here it will show you how to pack these products or items. So as per the Amazon requirement, you need to pack certain products in different package and certain products in individual different package. So you make sure you create 2 different packages or 3 different packages or whatever number of packages required as per the Amazon requirement. Once you pack it, simply click everything will fit in one box. If it's only one box, these all items will fit in one box. But in case if you need to fit in 2 different boxes, then multiple boxes will be needed and then you confirm. But in our case, everything fits in one box. Once you pack the items into the box, everything fits in one box and then confirm. If it's multiple, you select that. Then you have to fill out multiple packaging information. 2 kilo, 44, 43, 6, confirm packing line or information. Once you add the information here, what you have to do is simply select confirm and continue. And here Amazon will give you 2 options. So you can select the shipping mode. So if it's large and full truckloaded shipping, then you select this option. But in our case, because these are the small boxes, I will go with this option, small parcel delivery, and select shipping carrier. You can use your own carrier as well. So if you want to use your own non-Amazon partnered carrier, then select here. And if you are sending through the personalized carrier, you select others or whatever the options are available. But in my case, I would prefer to go with the Amazon partner carrier. Once I select the Amazon partner carrier, here it will show you approximate price, how much it will cost you to send the items. So once I select that and I'm happy, if you select the partnered carrier, the ship date is from the carrier itself. Here, if you scroll down, there would be ship from and the shipping to information, and you can see all the content. You can always view content and check if it's correctly added. You can also find out here 2 boxes, how many SKUs and how many units. Once you're happy with the estimated shipping charges, what you have to do is simply accept estimated shipping cost and confirm shipping. So what I'll do is I select that. Once you go to the next step under the print box labels, you will see all the information, plus there will be like print box and shipping labels. So just select the preferred size. In my case, I would go with thermal printing. So I select that, print, and it will create 2 shipping labels. Print these shipping labels and stick on your packaging or the box. And next day or within few days, if you selected Amazon preferred carrier, then they will come to pick up your parcel or the box. Once they picked up the item, it will take few days. And after few days, if you go to your inventory, you will see the increase in inventory here. So you will be able to see once they collect the items or parcels, once it start inbounding, then you will see the numbers change here. And once it is available to sell on Amazon FBA, it will increase the number here. That's how you can send your items to Amazon FBA warehouses to sell and manage via Amazon FBA program. Hope in this video I have provided enough information and cleared out all the doubts. So next time if you try to ship yourself to Amazon FBA, it will be easier just to follow the steps. If you like to appreciate my effort, then thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you will get notified as soon as I upload new videos on this channel. Comment me in comment box below if you have any questions or suggestions. Until next time, see you, take care, bye bye.